Well, hey guys, as you can see, we're out here at the club. Got a little bit of break in the weather here, so we're gonna move forward, onward and upward. So I'm gonna get a target tacked up and get it ready to go. Get my stuff out, get all signed in, and we'll check back in when we're on the line. Be right back. Okay guys, took a few practice shots, went ahead and repaired the target and did a little bit of sight adjustment on it, and so here we go. We're going to give it a whirl with one hand, and I'm going to take 5 shots and we're going to zoom in and we're going to see how it goes. This is at 25 yards. Okay guys, let's zoom in and take a look at that.
I haven't even got on paper yet. I don't know where it's hitting.
I got some stuff jumping around down there. There's 5 shots, 3 in the black. So
Down.
let's give it another whirl.
Down is going to be your top one.
Oh, that makes a lot of difference.
Clockwise to down.
Okay.
So the 100 yards.
Yep. I'm kind of tall on these 3.
By the way, this is a 262 grain
So if I want to
round bullet. Cast it up with low weight range recovery lead and a little bit of recoil to it. It's not bad. 4.5 grains of Bullseye. So just need to get used to it. Actually, I need to get used to the gun. So here we go again.
Sticky dust behind it. I'll lift my scope real quick, see if I can make it.
shots. Go ahead and zoom in on that. Hopefully I'm not embarrassing myself here. Ooh, good. I got a 5 out there. Yeah, we're getting them in the black. I need to calm down a little bit. Get my mind on things here. So anyway, we're going to take a short break. We got a neighbor over here that wants to go down and post a target at the 50. So we'll be right back. So don't go anywhere, okay? Okay guys, we're back. So here we go. We're going to fire 5 more shots. These are the 262 grain round nose, 4.5 grain. Okay, we'll zoom in on that. Yeah, let's take a couple of clips to the right. I'm going to finish this up and take 5 more shots, and then we'll go ahead and we'll do some 44 Russian. Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and zoom in on that, see how that did. Did a little bit better. So far, you know, I think we're getting on the we're getting an 8-ring shooter here. So you know, a little bit more tightening up, a little more discipline on the front sight, and getting used to the grip. You know, those are things that I'm going to have to, you know, get used to. So anyway, we're going to get a cold line here pretty soon. Go forward, post a new target, and then shoot some 44 Russian. Be right back.
I'm hitting you with all my shit.
Okay guys, what you're seeing right now is 44 Russian, and this is with a 245 grain Keith bullet, and I'm using 4.5 grains of 700X. And as you can see, we're still in the 8 ring. So let's take another approach at this. We'll shoot 5 more shots, and I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. I've already shot about 80 rounds or so, and I'm starting to get tired, you know. It's usually time to quit after about that. So anyway, we'll do these last 5 shots. We'll round it up. We'll head back to the hacienda, some coffee, and we'll talk about it. Okay? Trying to tell myself, don't jerk, you jerk. Gotta get used to this trigger. Burned down on this, and we'll get going. Yeah. So, okay. Anyway, we'll go back to the hacienda. So there we go. That was our range for today, and you got a little break in the weather here. You know, it's not raining. So anyway, that about sums it up, and we'll head back to the house. Well, hey guys, I'm gonna introduce you to one of the friendliest dogs I think I've ever met in my life, and this is Sweet Pea. And she's usually a resident out here at the Paul's Book Club. And you gotta watch out, you know, while you're out there shooting, she'll come over there and say hi, and she wants to smell you and everything. She's just a really good girl, aren't you? Yeah, you're a really good girl. Right, Sweet Pea? Huh? Right there, girl? Huh? Yeah, good girl. Yeah. So anyway, this is Thor's axe. And this is Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea. Oh, there you go, yeah. She's a good girl. So anyway, we're going to head back to the ranch, so be checking in there. Well, hey guys, back here at the hacienda, and what you see here is we've got an 8-ring shooter, and you know, it's not the gun. I'm the 8-ring shooter. This gun will shoot, you know, center X. It's just that I gotta practice with it, and you know, I can make up all the excuses in the world, you know, the grips being, you know, slick and all that stuff, but you know, overall, you know, I'd say that's not too bad for somebody who's out of practice, somebody who hasn't really went out there and shot any bullseye matches for quite a while. I'm real pleased with the way the gun shoots. I shot this group with 4.5 grains of 700X with a 245 grain Keith bullet out of the 44 Russian, and it's a very nice target load. That for one-handed shooting, this is great. I mean, that had just the amount of recoil. Another thing too about being out of practice, whenever you shoot more than say 50 rounds, okay, your first shot isn't going to be as good as your last shot. You see what I'm saying? And so, you know, you got to build up your endurance. You got to build up your stamina when you're out there and you're shooting, and your concentration. And that's something that's kind of, you know, I got to build that back up myself. So this gun definitely will do and deliver the goods. It's just that I've got to be able to do it. And that's the challenge behind having the gun in the first place, is that you're going to go out there, you're going to shoot it, you're going to try to get better with it, you're going to go ahead and shoot it some more, and it becomes a challenge to you, and the next thing you know, you're out there and you're just really challenging yourself to make every single shot right in the black. And you're trying to, you know, and I'll tell you what, you'll get faster and faster at it. And the next thing you know, you'll master the gun. And that's the thing behind my, you know, firearms ownership. That's what I want to do. That's why I hand load. That's why I go through all this stuff, is to challenge myself and become better at, you know, being competitive to myself, not anyone else, just myself, and build my skills. So anyway, this is Thor's axe. I'll get this loaded up. We had a good day today, and we'll be checking in, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so this is Thor's axe, and I'm signing out. You guys have a good day, and we'll catch you later.